What's up, you guys? In this video, we are going to talk about how to add a messenger bot to a Facebook ad, or basically how to hook up a messenger bot like to the back end of your Facebook ad. So when someone like comments on your Facebook post or your Facebook ad or something like that, then people are automatically going to be able to get entered right into your chatbot. So that's what we're going to cover right now. I've gotten a lot of questions about that. There's really only two steps. The first thing that you want to do is you want to go over to your Facebook business page, okay? So you want to make sure that you're not on your personal profile or anything, that you're actually on your Facebook business page. So once you're there, all you got to do is you have to create the actual post. So what you want to do is just write up your post. So say like, hey, want to get, all right, so once you do that, basically, because what we want to do is we want to get people commenting and engaging on our ads and on our posts, right? First of all, that's how they're going to enter into our chatbot. And I'm going to show you how to set that up and how to hook it up to the back of this post, so don't worry about that. But basically, the way that people are going to enter our messenger bot from our Facebook wall, from our post, or from an ad is going to be through commenting on the post. So you want to make sure in your ad copy here, you tell people what to do. You got to tell them to comment on the post below because ultimately that's how they're going to get subscribed to your messenger bot. So right here we say comment below, say heck yes to grab yours today. Obviously you want to put a little bit more thought into this. You want to like put an image or a video or whatever. We're going to just go ahead and publish that right there. So let's see, it should show up. Cool. Okay, so there's the post. But what we're going to do is we're going to hook that up to our ManyChat. So first thing, if you don't have ManyChat, you can go ahead and get signed up. It's free. I have the pro version, which is like $10 a month, but you can get started for free. So head over to ManyChat, and what you're going to need to do is just hook it up to your Facebook page, which is really, really simple. It takes about like 2 minutes maybe, so it's really, really easy. Once you have your ManyChat account hooked up to your Facebook page, what you're going to want to do is you want to go over to Growth Tools. So what a growth tool is, and we're going to click New Growth Tool. Basically, what a growth tool is it's a way for people to enter into your messenger bot. So there's a ton of different things that you can do with that, but what we're going to do here is what we want to do is we want to make sure that people are entering our messenger bot through a Facebook comment on our post or on our ad, like a post that we turn into an ad. So what we're going to do here is we're going to select New Growth Tool, and from the widget type, all you have to do is just ignore all of these for now. You're going to select Facebook comments. And then from here, what you do, and this is why you need to create the post first, okay? Because you're going to actually have to choose the post here in ManyChat. Right, so after we click that, then we're going to see all the posts on our Facebook page's wall, okay? So this is the one that we just created 2 minutes ago. So that's going to just automatically show up here, and then we just click Select. Track first level comments only. I would recommend doing that just because what that means is it's going to be like people who reply, that would be like a second level comment. So if there's a bunch of replies on this post, those are probably going to be people who are like kind of talking back and forth, and you don't want to keep messaging them over and over. And then for this, I would say I would just go immediately. The message is going to get sent straight to their inbox right after that. And then you can say exclude comments with these keywords. So these are the keywords that if people comment on your post with these keywords, then they will not get subscribed to your messenger bot. So these are going to be things, honestly, I would recommend doing this like for your whole entire Facebook page. I already have this set up where people leave comments like scam or like pyramid scheme or like MLM or whatever, especially if you're in the make money online niche. You definitely want to have some sort of like keyword flagging set up for that. Basically people who are going to be like haters that are going to comment on your post, like you don't really want them to subscribe to your bot. But you can just leave this blank if you have this already set up at your Facebook page level. And then also if you want to only send messages to people who say a specific word, then you can enter those here. I would just leave that blank because even though you're saying clearly like say heck yes, some people might say like yes or something, like they might not, or they might say like the wrong thing, or they might say like cool, like I'm interested. People don't always really follow directions, so you might as well just leave it blank, and then they'll still get the free coupon. Then just click next, and then all you do right here is you say, or like this is the message that people are going to get subscribe, or that people are going to get sent like right when they subscribe. So you can say like, hey, full name, or you can say like first name, whatever. You can enter like an emoji if you want. I recommend using emojis just because like it's Messenger and it's kind of like fun and cool, and so I would just go for it. Something like that, something simple. And then you just want to go to next. And then last step, what you want to do is you want to just say send to everyone who replies. So people who reply to that message are going to get actually subscribed to your Messenger bot. Then you're good to go. You just click save and activate, and then your widget's activated. So what you can do is, if you want to go and test it, so then anyone who comments on this wall post right here, this Facebook post, or if you turn this into a Facebook ad, anyone who comments on it is going to get subscribed to that messenger sequence in ManyChat. So super awesome, super powerful thing that you can do to get a lot of social proof on your Facebook posts and on your Facebook ads, right? Because if you're incentivizing people to comment on your stuff, it's going to look like a ton of people are engaging with your ads, engaging with your posts, and getting a lot of people excited to kind of check out what's going on. So highly, highly recommend that you use this. And as you can see, it's like super simple to set up. So I hope you guys enjoyed that, and let me know in the comments below if you've tried using this before or if you plan on using it right now.